this way.
Next stop is Westgate Las Vegas Station. Please allow passengers to exit before boarding. Las Vegas and Blueberry Place. Thanks for riding the Las Vegas Monorail. There's a lot of magic, mystery, and wonder in Las Vegas, and the monorail is no exception. Our cutting-edge automatic control system allows the monorail to run without anyone at the wheel. Now that's almost as impressive as a high-flying acrobat. Now arriving at Westgate Las Vegas Station. Center, one of the largest convention centers in the United States, with 4.6 million square feet of meeting and exhibit space, welcoming millions of visitors every year. Hey, monorail riders, want to avoid the crowds in the streets trying to get in and out of the convention?
I'm not sure what's up.
LPmonorail.com. And at the end of the day, the monorail is a great way to get in and from your dinners and after parties.
I think after the convention center we'll be able to see it.
You're probably only in Vegas for
right there.
Don't waste your time standing in line for gas, stuck in traffic, or walking down the street. Instead of convenient stops along the strip, Las Vegas Monorail is the quickest and most cost-effective way to get where you want to go. Now arriving at Flamingo Station at Las Vegas Convention Center. Our next stop is the closest station to Caesars Forum Conference Center and the LINQ Entertainment District, where you'll find a unique array of shops, restaurants, and bars. Plus, Brooklyn Mall is the high roller, the world's largest observation wheel. You can also access the LINQ from the Flamingo Station. Our next stop is also the closest station to the Venetian and Bellagio hotels, where you'll find the Grand Canal shops, gondola rides, and the Venetian Expo. Win in Encore Las Vegas, featuring the very popular nightclubs XS and Encore Beach Club, the Fashion Show Mall, the Mirage, and Treasure Island's TI Hotel and Casino. The Las Vegas trip has over 4 miles of fun things to do, and the best way to see it all is the Las Vegas Monorail. You can buy your tickets online anytime at tickets.lpmonorail.com.
Awesome in a second.
Caesar's Palace, featuring the Forum Shops and the Coliseum Theater, the Cromwell Hotel, featuring the popular Dre's Day Club, nightclub, and after hours. Access to the LINQ Entertainment District is available from the Flamingo station as well as Harrah's the LINQ station. Here you'll find a unique array of shops, restaurants, and bars, plus Brooklyn Bowl and the High Roller, the world's largest observation wheel. Now arriving at Flamingo Caesar's Palace Station. Please hold the handrail firmly at all times. Next stop southbound is Horseshoe and Harrah Las Vegas Station. Our next stop is the closest station to Bellagio and its iconic fountain show. Planet Hollywood, featuring the Miracle Mile shops, the Cosmopolitan, featuring Marquee Night and Day Club, the Eiffel Tower experience at Paris Hotel and Casino, and City Center, which includes Aria Resort and Casino, Madara Hotel and Spa, the Waldorf Astoria, Theater Towers, and Crystal's Retail District. We hope you're having a great time riding the Las Vegas Monorail. Tweet us your best monorail selfie at LD Monorail. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Now arriving at Horseshoe and Harrah Las Vegas Station.